Hi guys, it's Petra. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a banner at Instant Banner Creator. Here you can also create headers, footers, and also button sizes like 125 by 125. But here we're going to go ahead and start by creating just a banner, a regular banner. So after you log in, you would click on Create New Graphics. And then you're going to see the first option is to create a new banner. So you click Create New Banner. You're going to land on this page here. So you're going to have different templates that you can use. And what you do is you click the radio button for the one that you want to use. So I want to use this light green one. So I'm going to click here where it says use this one. And I'm going to click Use Banner. But I do want to show you that you also have an option as a free member. You can upload 10 of your own banners. So I added a couple here so that you can see. And the way you do that is you create your banner, maybe at Banners Go MLM, like I showed you in the previous video, and you locate it here by clicking Browse, and then you click Upload Banner, and it will put it here in your list for you so that you can use it. So if you were to use one of these, then all you have to do is click the little radio button next to Use This One and click this button down here that reads Use Banner. But in this instance, what we're going to do is use their default templates banners. So I'm going to click here, Use Banner. Here, you start adding some text. Then you select the font. I'll scroll down a bit here. Now to change the size of the font, you can click and drag here, or you can type in a number. I'm going to click and drag. And it shows a preview here. So I want it a little bit bigger than that. And I want a different font. Let's see what this one looks like. I don't want to change the angle of the font, but okay, let me drag this a bit because it's taking a bit. There we go. I want to change the color of that font, so I'm going to go with a red color. So what you can do is click in the box where you want the color and then click and drag to whatever shade you want. And then you can click these little triangles here and choose something different if you wanted to. So I'm going to go with more red color here. Okay, so this is the color that I want, so I'm going to click OK. Then I want to give it some shadow. There's 4 different text shadows here. I'm going to choose this one. Just click the radio button. Then you have to choose the shadow color. So I'm going to choose maybe a purplish color. Let's see. So there we go. That looks fine. And click OK here. Okay, so that looks fine to me. So what I want to do is add that text to this banner. So I'm going to click the Add Text button. And now I can position it. Before I paste it, or paint it as they call it, I'm going to position it. Where should I put this? I don't want to put it over his head. I'll put it right there. So I'm going to click here to paint it onto the banner. And so there you go, done with the banner. Now if you wanted to, you could scroll down and add some default items. You would just click on the radio button for the default item that you want. Now if you have an upgraded account, you can choose the ones that say upgraded members only. Those would have radio buttons also. If you wanted your own clip art, you could have your own clip art. So I entered some little items here just so you could see. So if I wanted to, I could choose something here by clicking the radio button and then clicking the button that reads Use Clipart. But I am not going to do that. And let's go ahead and choose this money back guarantee and click Use Clipart. So what it does is it places it here for you to decide where you want it. Now you can't change the size, unfortunately, so I'm not going to keep this here. So what I'm going to do is click Cancel to remove it. I don't want to paint it onto there after all. So I'm done here. So I'm going to click Finish. Are you sure you wish to finish editing? Yes. So save it into my gallery. So that's just some other ones that I have there. So as you see, you have this code here. That's the HTML code for the image. Now if you just use this code the way it is, if you copy and paste this entire code onto your website or blog, it's not going to be a clickable banner. When someone hovers over it, nothing's going to happen, just like you see here. Now if you want to make it clickable, this site allows you to enter the site you want to send them to. Make sure you put the http:// and click Update. So what it does is creates this clickable code for you. This is what you would paste onto your website or blog, so that when they hover over the banner and they click it, it will take them to the URL that you designated. And this code that you see here, I want you to copy that and paste it into Notepad and Control V. There it goes. So anytime that you go to a hosting site and you upload an image and you look for the HTML code, it's going to give you code similar to this. When you see the href =, and the URL, all you have to do is replace that URL with the URL that you want to designate, you want to send that person to. Then copy the entire code and paste it. That's the exact format that you need. So I'm just going to save this file. Clickable image format code HTML. And you should do the same thing. Okay. Now another option you have at Instant Banner Creator is to download the banner. So you would click this button here, Download. You can delete the banner at any time. You can resize it, and you can convert it. So I'm going to click Convert so you can see what it does. It allows you to convert to GIF or JPEG. So I'm going to click Cancel. Right now it's a PNG format. If you want to convert it to JPEG, you keep this radio button chosen and you click Convert, and then it allows you to save it to your desktop. Same thing for GIF. Okay, and like I said before, you can create headers, footers, buttons, all kinds of different things that you want. So here's an example button right here. This is about a 125 by 125 size approximately. So when you embed that code, like you see here, it takes them to this URL that I chose. Okay, and that's Instant Banner Creator. Thanks for watching.